teaching me how to love, showing me what the world needs, what I've been dreaming.
Talagang pinrovide niya sa amin lahat ng needs and wants namin.
Every time na nandun po pala siya sa church, nagpe-pray po siya. Pinagpe-pray po niya na magsama-sama na sana uli kami na uma-attend sa church.
Daddy, you're the man.
Thanks to you for teaching me how to live, putting things in perspective, teaching me how to give and how to take. No mistakes, we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am making with the love I feel inside.
Pag sinabing you are the man, kompleto ka. Good provider ka, good protector ka, pero ikaw, nagsasaway ka, nagre-rebuke at nagdi-discipline ka sa anak mo. Yun ang kompleto po na masasabi mong you are the man.